how to buy Cypherspace token. So this token came under the symbol of Cypher. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on with this token, make sure to check their community on Mexc. As you can see, they have 245 members there. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago and increased by 700% to 800% in less than 4 hours. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap, and now make sure to select this Solana token. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this also can click on it, and now click on I understand. So here you can type how much you want to buy like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to see a swap. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete buy process. So it's easy and simple. So this is how to buy Cypher token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.